Hey guys, this is my first video, so I'm very excited. So, today we are going to make a paper torch, DIY paper torch. It's really cool. So first, you fold the paper. I'm gonna do this. Fold the paper like this. And again. And then again. And then put your finger right there. You put your finger right there, fold it all the way to here, and then put it in this hole where you put your finger in. And then you have your torch. And then you fold this up right here. If you want to make it little, you can do this. But if you want to keep it big, you can keep it like this. And then you paint this part brown. Then you get painting brush. Paint the stem brown. Paint the stem brown right here. While I'm doing this, so like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for notifications, because this is my first video and I've started this by myself. Then you paint the whole thing brown. You can paint the bottom if you want, but I don't really. Then you wait for it to dry. And that will be in another video. Actually, no. Ha! Never mind. So then, you can wait for it to dry, but I'm not. And then you get yellow. I'm touching the paint, but that's okay. I've already made another one of these. So you paint the whole thing yellow at the top. And then you just keep painting. Keep painting. When you're done with the yellow, get the orange, paint it on top of the yellow, and then it looks like fire. That's what makes the fire. Then you just wait for it to dry. If you see my brother, he's a little. He was little in our other videos, so I'm going to show you him. Hey, Ollie, you want to come here? Hey, Ollie, you want to come here? Okay? I want to show you my brother. What are you doing with that? He was like 4 or 3 in the other videos. Now he's 5. Say, you gotta get down. Say hi. Oh, the paintbrush is in the way. I'm showing them how to make this torch. It's okay if this. I don't know what that is. It's fun. So it's okay if it drips down. It actually kind of makes it good detail. And I want to show you my other torch. Ollie, can you go get my other torch? He's funny. I have a cat. Then I have a cat named Zoe, and she's like 13 and a half or 14 and a half. I'm making shrimp, my favorite shrimp. My favorite food is. Here's my other one. Compare these. They kind of look the same. I'm going to get this one to my brother because he doesn't get one. He didn't get one. And then in another video, I'm going to show you how to make it. Yeah, you can see him right there. You can see him. So in another video, I'm going to show you how to make some other DIY paper things for later. So, bye. Say bye, Allie.